Guys, welcome to Rogue's Tech Projects. I'm doing a side project. I'm gonna do I figured I fixed this Lenovo laptop. I got a replacement power supply. Right now I'm installing a Windows 10 operating system on the flash drive, waiting for that to finish up. In the meantime, until I get this Lenovo laptop fixed. Here's the replacement power supply with that blue light right there. That's the new power supply. Got that from Amazon. So yeah, it's working with that new one now. So that's how I got this thing to work, this laptop to work again. Okay, the installation is complete. I'm gonna try and plug this into the laptop and install Windows 10. Hopefully this works. Okay. It didn't work, so I'm gonna install another 2.5-inch hard drive on this another day. So, man, this is frustrating. I'll figure it out. I'll install another. I'll work on this another day. Guys, here's the progress. I got it repaired. They're just gonna install Windows 10 on this laptop. I'm gonna give it to Trevor. I hope he likes it. I hope it helps him with his studio, with his music and everything. I wasn't able to repair it, so I had to reinstall, start fresh and brand new to install the operating system on this Lenovo laptop. So now I got this thing back up and running. All I got to do now is set up, probably sign in or whatever. I fixed this laptop and it's ready to use. All I did is just replace the power cable and that's it. I got it finished and it's ready to give to Trevor so he could use it for studio software and whatever his heart desires. I'm so glad I fixed this computer. This is like one of my first laptops that I fixed. Logos 9 out.